If you want to start using your BeHear now as a personal hearing amplifier without connecting it to your phone, no problem, just keep watching this video. If you want to learn how to pair it with your phone and other Bluetooth-enabled devices, click this link. BeHear Now operates straight out of the box as a personal hearing amplifier with no Bluetooth connection needed. Ambient sounds are amplified and transmitted from the headset's microphones directly to your ears. Start by turning BeHear Now on by pressing the power button until the light blue LED appears. The headset is now on. In order to activate the personal hearing amplification, toggle the function on with a long press on the right control box's middle button. The ambient personalized hearing function can be toggled on or off with a long press. As you just heard, when switched on, a two-tone sound will play. First low, then high. Here's the sound again. The top and bottom buttons of the right control box control the volume for the personal hearing mode. You can either use short presses to increase or decrease the volume one step at a time, or press and hold the button to increase or decrease the volume rapidly. For each increase in volume, you will hear a high tone. When you reach the maximum, you will hear an even higher tone. For each decrease in volume, you will hear a low tone. When you reach the minimum, you will hear an even lower tone. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.